All the snow is falling out of the box. Let me open this door.
For me, been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas. I am actually on my way to drop the kids off at school. What are we doing today? I'm just stopping in to let you know that today's freaking cold. It's so cold. You see me wrap up? Like it's like 24 degrees outside right now. So I'm dropping the kids off at school. I'm gonna, as usual, do my Target stop. I have some returns and I will show you that later, to return to Home Goods. Why I keep on doing that? Whole Foods that I purchased from Amazon that you would have seen in the Christmas haul that I did. And then I'm gonna come home and open up some more Amazon Christmas stuff, and that should be it for right now. I think I'm gonna go back and replace some of the items that I'm actually returning today. So I'm gonna have to do that purchase. But yeah, I'll see you when I'm at Target. Okay, so I am here at Target. Already got my product. Again, just some air freshener. But it's so funny that I purchased 4 of the plugins. Bora Bora and the light bamboo. Right? No, I did 2 of the bamboo because they said that they only have 2 of the Bora Bora remaining, and knowing my luck, every time I purchase these air fresheners and I come home and come pick up, them always short 1, short this, short that. So I said, let me just buy 4 of them, and at least if 1 is short, I still have 3 or 2 or whichever one. And today for all these, we get all 4. I don't know if you're lucky or bad lucky, so I don't know. So all I purchased was just were just 4 plug-in, pack of 3 Febreze plugins. So we're gonna head right now over to Whole Foods to do the returns. Alright guys, so I'm here now at Whole Foods, and let me just show you what I'm returning. I'm returning these candles. It's the spiral taper candles because they're smaller than I expected. So I think I was the one who messed up. This is actually the 7.6 and I wanted the, I think it's 11. They're still cute and everything, but I want the taller ones for the dining room table. Turning these, and I'm gonna get the bigger ones. I currently have the brown ones right now in the dining room, but as I said before, if you had watched my previous videos, my theme this year is gonna be black, white, a touch of silver, and a little bit of gold, but mostly silver to highlight because my whole house is mostly gold right now. And I'm returning these because I don't know what this is the joke. On the website, it's supposed to be black and white, plus it's so small. It's supposed to be black and white trees and with silver. It looks beautiful on the web. So I purchased 2 of these, and this is the joke. I don't want anything blue, so I'm returning these 2. This is 1. The other one come in this bag. That's what I'm returning right now. I'm gonna jump inside and come back. Okay guys, I am back home. So we have a bunch of packages here from Amazon. We're gonna go through these real quick, and it's gonna be like a little pre-Christmas haul. Yeah? It's a wrap box. This reminds me when we used to go to school back home, and we used to have to wrap our stuff. This is just wrapping paper over here. Oh, it's not. It's actually Amazon product. Not Christmas. This is actually, I don't know what this is for. What is this for? Oh, I think this is So this is the Viva Flying Insect Trapped refills, right? So this works very well. I have them in my kitchen, and wanted some refill because I just used the last one. So this is a refill cartridge, and it looks like something like this. It's a value pack. So this one comes with 4. So this is how they look. So you peel this off and you put it into the thingamajig, and it catches the flies, mosquitoes. Once you go in there, it's just not coming off. So I pack off 2 that make it 4, and I think this was for flies. Like you see like this the stick. So I guess it's the first time I'm actually buying the refill. The first, when I purchased the original set, it only came with 2 refills. I think it was 2 refills and the units. So this actually comes with the fly. You just stick it in and you rip this off for this for the glue. So I don't know, you'll stick this up somewhere. I can stick this up somewhere for additional flies. I don't know, or moths. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna start assuming what these packages are, since I was so wrong before. Okay, so this is actually Christmas stuff now. So these are the Christmas like clips to go onto the Christmas tree. So this is how it's looking. And then it comes with the clips that you actually put on there. I didn't know it was going to do that. I thought it was going to come pre-clipped. But these are the clips that it comes with. I guess you put it inside. So push it in here and then clip it. I'll figure it out. So this was a pack of, I think it was like 32. So this is black, and I also got this the silver. And here are also additional ornaments for the tree. The last haul you saw, this like a return, right? All ripped up and stuff. Look at the packaging, like this is all ripped. You see that? Ripped here, tear vessel. But I purchased the black one, and these are the white ones to go again on the Christmas tree. Alright, so in this box here, not sure what's in this. This is well taped, so hold on. This looks like some of them have really stuff. This is a Christmas tree. So why them bring it up like this? Are you serious right now? This is a Christmas tree. Look at them fold it. I'm gonna fix something better. It's all bent up. Even the Christmas sign that's in there. It's been like, what are these people? This packaging was like the worst packaging ever. So I'm gonna have to fluff it and straighten it and stuff. So this is a pre-lit wreath. This one will actually be going on my door. So this is going on the door, in the living room, in outside obviously. This is it. Again, black and white theme that we're going for. But I don't know why I didn't fold it up like this inside this bag here. Okay, so I also have this in this bag. So this is actually the white silver looking. Why didn't I put this stuff? Oh jeez. So this is the white and silver one to the black one that you guys saw. So here they are. I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger. They're really small. No wonder. They're like 32 pieces, I think. It's like it made T-Mew vibes. I thought they were going to be bigger. Anyway, we'll make it work. And this, and I won't open this now. These are the black garlands that I'll be putting like around the doors and stuff. So I won't open this right now. But it's a total of 33 feet black, inch wide, 4 pieces. I'll also link these in case you want to purchase these. All the links will be in the description below. I also purchased just the whole reel of silver ribbon for gift wrap, or for me, I'm putting this on the tree. This is beautiful. So I had ordered some from TikTok, the black and white plaid one, and it just came like, I don't know what it comes. So I just purchased another reel of the black and white one to come to this. So now we're in the last box. Okay. I think I kind of want to open this. Could you see what just happened? All the snow is falling out of the box. It's falling out of the box. I think this is the other wreath. This one I'm going to put in the dining room. Yes, it is. Give me all this at work. No, this is what we call packaging. Ooh, this is pretty. I want to take this out, guys. This is pretty. You see this? This is nice. The black and white theme. This is going to go over my mantelpiece. This is nice, and it's also pre-lit, so it will light up. Very nice, very nice. I'm loving this right now. So this is it. Very nice. So I won't take this out of the box. I'll keep it in there until I'm ready for it. It's beautiful. I'm loving this. Well, guys, that is it for today's Vlogmas video. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and share the video. Drop a comment below. Just say hi or Merry Christmas or Happy Vlogmas. Just say something. I need those comments in the comment section. And if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching again. Until later, bye.
At Christmas Jamaican style.